Training plan. Unit of competency, practice career professionalism, set and meet work priorities. So, training activity task, prioritize task to meet personal, team, and company goals. Use resources wisely to handle work priorities and responsible. Follow procedures for using and maintaining equipment and facilities. Modes of training. So, clearly communicate priorities within the team to ensure everyone is on the same page and understands what needs to be done. First, analyze case studies with instructional materials. Identify the specific skills and knowledge. So, staff. So, yan po. Pangalan ko, Albert L. Vargas. Facilities, tools and equipment, human, financial technology, hardware and software. Venue, ALV, fish capturing industry. Assessment method. Meron tayong portfolio assessment, interview, simulation, role plays, observations, third-party reports, exam, and test. So, date and time, September 8, 2025, 7 o'clock a.m. to 8:38 a.m. So, yan po. Common competencies. Unit of competency, use farm tools and equipment. Select and use farm tools. Select farm tools based on specific needs and intents use. Inspect farm tools for defect and report. Following establishment, farm tools operate all tools and equipment safely, adhering to job requirements and manufacturer's guideline. So, training mode. Workshops can cover the different types of farm tools, their specific uses, and how to choose the right tool for a particular task. Trainees can handle and compare different tools. So, tools and equipment, engines, pumps, generators, sprayers, sickle cutters, weighing scales, hand tools, measuring tools, guarding tools. Mode of training, assessment method. Direct observation, practical demonstration, and third-party report. Date and time, September 8, 2025, 10 a.m. to 10:44 p.m. So, yun lang po yung pahapyaw. So, sa basic competencies, meron pong 1.63 hours kay trainee 1. Yun lamang po.